It's very challenging for new businesses to succeed these days. That's why new franchise owners are very careful about the choices they make. Of course, washing machines are the most crucial equipment in a laundromat, and franchise owners are very picky. And that's why we recently switched to LG after long consideration. Easy installation and competitive installation costs were key factors that affected my decision. First of all, LG washing machines are energy and water saving, which lowers our operating costs. This is very attractive. And LG offers a wide range of capacity, giving more choice to the consumers. We also love the modern design and the dual locking system. Anyways, there are so many reasons why we chose LG. The result was a huge success. We've seen significant customer growth, and our franchise owners are extremely satisfied. And the word is already spreading. Our shops that use LG washing machines are becoming very popular, and we are expanding quickly. Success in laundry business. LG Commercial Laundry Systems.